This project is particularly special because we used electrical power to power our equipment. We're here in Huyaard, near Brussels, and we just witnessed the skidding of a tunnel section of 850 tons, which basically means that we put the tunnel section in place using hydraulic power and skid tracks.
Client's question was obviously, they needed us to skid a tunnel. It's a little bit of a critical job because the tunnel section itself is quite large, 25 meters long, 8.5 meters wide, 850 tons. So it needed to be skidded underneath the rails, and we have just a small period of time to do that.
Because the railways expect their rails to be open for the commuting of the Monday morning. It's an infrastructure project, and basically our site operations are now performed zero emission. So the jacking and skidding is performed completely zero emission. The electric power packs already existed. We use them in nuclear projects. Here we use also batteries to power our power units. So the combination of a battery and a power pack is unique. Battery is basically the power source, and the power pack powers our equipment, sends out the hydraulic power to the cylinders.
The impact of working electrically is on site, less noise, easier to communicate, safer. And also using electric power packs makes it easier for the operator to operate gently and put the tunnel in position millimeter work.
What we see nowadays is that companies are basically responsible to reduce their footprint. What we want to do here is show that we are already able to perform our site operations zero emission.
The client was a little bit skeptic at first because they were a little bit concerned about timing, whether we would lose time using electric instead of traditional gas. But in the end, you saw, we gained 2.5 hours, so they're very happy about it.
Basically, this opens up a whole new way of working in special device operations. By doing things electrically, we can reduce the carbon footprint on our clients' operations.